Hello, hello, hello! We are making ones and zeros. This is our equation. We know that the output is 3. And we're trying to figure out what input is going to make this whole mathematical sentence true. And so I look at it and I'm like, can I just guess what that number is right now? No. So if I can't guess, one strategy I can do is to sort of in some way make those numbers invisible by creating a 1 or creating a 0. So I look for the number that's sort of furthest away, the farthest from x, and I see the 17, and I say, okay, that's an adding 17, so I can take that 17 and turn it into a 0 by subtracting 17. Now we're on a balance beam, so if I subtract 17 from one side, I also have to take away 17. I have to remove equal pieces from both sides, just like we did on the balance beam. And the rest of it is equal. So I took that 17 and I created a 0 with it. And now, it's almost like that 17 has disappeared. And now I'm like, okay, can I figure out what number makes that true? Ugh, no, not yet. And so now I look and I see the farthest thing away from the x, so the x is really close to subtracting 1, is this multiplying by -2. And so if I'm multiplying by -2, I can almost turn that -2 into a 1 by dividing by -2, right? Because we know that -2 divided by -2 is just another version of 1. So -14 divided by -2, 7. So 7 is equal to 1 times all this stuff, right? 1 times anything is itself. So I can write 7 equals x minus 1. And then I think to myself, okay, can I figure out what the number is now? I know that. Like, I know that 8 minus 1 is 7, so I know that the value of x has to be 8. And I can check to make sure that's true by substituting that 8 back in to making sure that things make sense.